Hello dear friends, hope you all are doing good. Now once again I am with you all, and today I am with my new topic, and my topic is how to get your kids to stop throwing tantrums. Yes, it's a very common thing that child throws tantrums. So whenever your child throws tantrum, be a calm. Yes, it's hard to be calm and not to lose it when a child throws a tantrum. But being a calm doesn't mean being a lenient. It means being the adult in that particular situation. Yes, sometimes child goes very wild for no particular reason, and it's very common symptoms in kids age 1 to 10. What can you do to prevent your kids from going crazy now and then? There are some points you must take care of that point. First of all, make your child feel comfortable. Always your child should feel very comfortable, keep them in a comfortable zone. Then how to make them comfortable? Whatever you are doing, say and do it. It is known as a therapy of say and do. Whatever you are doing, tell them बिफोर डूइंग इट. हम क्या करते हैं, करने के बाद बताते हैं. हमें ऐसा नहीं करना है. करने के पहले बच्चे को एक्सप्लेन करना है, उस चीज़ को पहले उन्हें बताना है जिससे बच्चे को कंफर्टेबल लगता है. हम कहीं घूमने जा रहे हैं तो आप पहले से बच्चे को बताइए कि बेटा आज हम शाम को घूमने जाएंगे. आप अचानक आ जाते हैं, बच्चे को तैयार करने लग जाते हैं, निकल जाते हैं और फिर हम बताते हैं कि हम फलानी जगह जाते हैं. सो इट्स अ वेरी रॉन्ग वे. You must tell them before going, because sometimes child doesn't want to go in that place, so you must listen to your child. Then next point is, let your toddler choose. Give them freedom. Actually it means give them freedom. Suppose your child wants to wear red dress and mom wants that he should wear green color, so let them decide your child what he wants to wear. Okay, suppose your child wants to eat dal chawal, but sometimes moms force eat chapati. Sometimes child wants to do homework in the afternoon, but moms want that child should sleep on that time. So let them choose what they want to do in a particular time. Only you can guide them. Okay, you guide them, but let them choose. Let them give freedom to make their own timetable. Okay, don't give everything ready-made to them. When they will choose things for them, their confidence level will increase. उनका इससे उनका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ता है. जब हम खुद के लिए कुछ करते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस जो है वो बढ़ता है. सो गिव देम फ्रीडम टू चूज देयर ओन थिंग्स. देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज, फाइंड आउट व्हाट्स रियली बॉदरिंग टू योर चाइल्ड. इफ दे आर throwing tantrums, really there are some reasons they are throwing tantrums. For that, what you have to do, you have to listen your child calmly. That time you don't have to be judgmental. Only just listen it, what your child is telling to you. Okay. Then next point is, distract your little one. Whenever they are throwing tantrums in the school or in a garden or in a mall, especially in mall, child throws the tantrums. So distract them. How to distract them? Take them for a walk. If they want to eat good food, if they like food, so eat some good food with them. Or suppose he likes to listen music, give them mobile or something to listen the music. So in this way you have to distract your child. Okay, then become a very good teacher for your child. Always you have to become a good teacher for your child by telling them good things. Okay, sit with them, give quality time, and sometimes we should talk to them. Okay, then next point is, use positive words. What happens whenever child comes to us? Always we are busy. Okay, so what we do, we give answer them directly. We give them answer yes or no. So directly you don't have to give the answer, and most of the times we say no. Okay, so it's a very wrong way to give the answer. You must give positive answer to them. Suppose if you want to say no, then tell them why no. Give them reason for a particular answer. जैसे आपके बच्चे को चॉकलेट खाना है और आप अपने बच्चे को चॉकलेट नहीं दे सकते, तो आप बताइए कि आप चॉकलेट क्यों नहीं दे सकते हैं, है ना। एंड ऑलवेज डू नॉट प्रोवोक टैंट्रम्स ऑफ योर चाइल्ड, वी शुड नॉट प्रोवोक टैंट्रम्स ऑफ आवर चाइल्ड। एंड द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज गिव प्रेज व्हेन किड डिजर्व इट। जब भी आपका बच्चा कुछ बहुत अच्छा करता है तो हमें उसे प्रेज करना चाहिए, हमें अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए। इससे भी बच्चे का कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ता है और वो अच्छे अच्छे काम करने की सोचता है। जब भी हमें भी कभी भी अप्रिशिएशन मिलता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, और अच्छा करने की कोशिश करते हैं। तो सेम थिंग विथ चाइल्ड, अगर हम घर में दिन भर उनको प्रेज करते रहे, अप्रिशिएट करते रहे, जिसके लिए वो डिज़र्व करते हैं, ठीक है। अननेसेसरी हमें प्रेज नहीं करना है, अननेसेसरी हमें अप्रिशिएट नहीं करना है, लेकिन जो चीज़ें हमारा बच्चा बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है उसके लिए हमें उसे अप्रिशिएट करना है, उसे प्रेज करना है। इससे आपके बच्चे का कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बढ़ेगा। बी अ वेरी स्मार्ट पेरेंट। Thank you so much for listening me and hope you will understand how to stop throwing tantrums of our kids. Thank you so much.